space isn't the only final frontier. We still don't know much about the ocean's depths and the organisms that stay in them. The vast, undiscovered depths of our oceans are riddled with mysteries that continue to perplex scientists and explorers worldwide. A strange golden orb spotted deep beneath the waters recently grabbed the world's interest. This sparkling orb, discovered in the deep ocean, has caused an uproar of curiosity and excitement among scientists. How would you respond if you discovered something deep beneath the ocean's surface that you couldn't explain? That's what happened to researchers using a NOAA ocean exploration vehicle to explore the seabed off the coast of Alaska. What were they puzzled by? A solitary gold orb. The object is clearly visible on the seabed in the footage, but the vehicle is actually around 2 miles beneath the surface, at a level that light cannot normally penetrate. So, what do you think this is? Let's begin today's video. Overview. In late August, a National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration ocean exploration discovered a mystery from the deep while diving in the Gulf of Alaska using a remote-controlled vehicle. The camera captured a weird, shining golden object, sparking curiosity as to what it was. The object, which NOAA called a golden orb, struck an imaginative chord with viewers who were following the live stream of the dive on August 30th, the agency said. The stream included a video feed from a remotely operated vehicle, or ROV. The finding: a NOAA ocean exploration remotely controlled underwater vehicle discovered a weird, golden object approximately 3,300 meters, or 2 miles below the ocean's surface, off the coast of Alaska, where the warm light of the sun never penetrates. The strange undersea object, discovered during an expedition last year, was tightly adhered to a rock dotted with white sponges and was roughly 10 centimeters across with a hole in one side. The scientists making the discovery didn't know exactly what the mystery object was. The researchers who were live streaming the dive initially suggested an egg casing from an unknown species, a dead sponge, or a coral. "I don't know what to make of that," stated one of the researchers in a live stream video from the time. "It's definitely got a big old hole in it, so something either tried to get in or tried to get out," another else said. The golden orb. Whatever deep horror that might be, it might yet have some growing to do. According to The Guardian, one hypothesis indicates that something hatched from the golden case. Something not so little. Yes, they suggest it as an egg due to its texture. It felt mushy and had no obvious anatomy. It has a hole in it, which indicates that something has entered or exited, but it doesn't like any egg seen before. Yes, if it's an egg, the most interesting question is whose egg it is. It's fairly large. That isn't a tiny fish egg. That's a big deal. The object was gently prodded by the researchers using a robotic arm, which they found to be fairly soft, and then they suctioned it up for additional analysis. The idea that the egg existed on its own is almost as remarkable as its size. Typically, oviparous animals lay their eggs in clutches. So if the object is an egg, it has an uncommon characteristic. Whatever it is, the orb has something new to tell us about the deep ocean and the diverse life that lives there. We don't yet understand much of what happens in the forbidding depths of the ocean. Crushing pressures and freezing temperatures are just two of the obstacles that have prevented humanity from expanding its realms. However, with remotely operated vehicles acting as proxies, the ocean is slowly revealing its secrets, including how deep-sea creatures procreate. "Isn't the deep sea so delightfully strange?" said Exploration Coordinator Sam Candio of NOAA Ocean Exploration. Yes, they were able to gather the golden orb and get it on board the ship, but they are still unable to identify it beyond the fact that it is biological in origin. While being stumped by this discovery is humbling, it serves as a reminder of how little we know about our own planet and how much there is more to learn and appreciate about our ocean. As scientists conduct more research, the public's fascination with the golden orb continues to grow. This enormous interest reflects humanity's everlasting curiosity about the unknown, as well as our common desire to discover the secrets hidden within our planet's final frontiers. The importance. The Seascape Alaska 5 mission began on August 23rd in Kodiak, Alaska, according to NOAA. Scientists have used ROVs and multi-beam sonar technologies to investigate undiscovered locations in the Gulf of Alaska at depths ranging from 650 to 19,700 feet, or 200 to 6,000 meters. Overall, their goal is to fill gaps in our understanding of the region by investigating deep-sea coral and sponge habitats, fish habitats, chemosynthetic communities, and the water column, and to improve knowledge of past and potential geohazards, according to NOAA. Yes, the golden orb represents the mission's importance and ocean exploration in general. It could be a previously unknown species or an existing species undergoing an unknown life stage. In any case, discoveries like this one could be beneficial, providing new sources for medical therapies and vaccines, food, energy, and other societal benefits and knowledge. The NOAA Seascape Alaska expedition that discovered the orb is on a mission to learn more about the relatively unexplored deep ocean off Alaska's coast. The team plans to map the region and learn more about the creatures known and unknown that inhabit these waters. Finally, the strange golden orb discovered in the water is not only a fascinating scientific mystery, but also a symbol of human ability and dedication to discovering our planet's most remote and unknown areas. Whether it is an ancient artifact, an alien object, or something entirely unexpected, this discovery will definitely have a lasting impact on our understanding of the deep sea and its countless mysteries.